Hello everyone, I am Yogesh Trivedi and the topic that we will be discussing here are the insect repellents. So we will be seeing what are the different kinds of insect repellents which are available in the market, what are the different kinds of drugs which are used in the making of these, and what are the mode of action and the mechanisms used by these drugs or substances to repel the insects from being around us. So let's start with the introduction of the topic. The introduction is, what are insect repellents? Insect repellent is a substance that when applied or sprayed onto skin, clothing or other surfaces discourages insect from landing or climbing on that surface. They are used for personal protection, mainly from the mosquitoes, but also from other insects that can be the flies, the fleas, the cockroaches, etc. Now why are the mosquitoes the major targeted insect? Because mosquito transmit malaria, dengue fever, filaria and many other parasitic infections which are very harmful for the humankind. Mosquito repellents are an effective way to reduce the vector-borne diseases on an individual level, but they never guarantee complete protection. They are used both inside the houses as well as in the field. What are the different mechanisms used by the mosquito to locate and infect the host? Mosquito use their sense of smell for a long-range host seeking the human body odor, and carbon dioxide from the breath acts as a strong mosquito attractant by activating the insect odorant receptors. Receptors also use a similar mode of action. Each repellent interacts with specific insect odorant receptor to drive them away from the source. How is the efficacy of the insect repellents measured? So there are 4 methods that we use to identify or to specify the efficacy of the insect repellents. These are the host attraction inhibition assay by the olfactometers, landing inhibition assay, the space repellency assay, and effective dose and duration assay. Now there are 2 types of insect repellents which are available. They are the synthetic insect repellents and the natural insect repellents. The synthetic insect repellents includes the N-diethylamtoluamide, which is also known as DEET, the pralethrin and the picaridin. The natural insect repellents are the citronella oil, the rosemary oil and the neem oil. Now we'll discuss and see each one of these in detail. So first we'll start with the N-diethylamtoluamide, which is also known as DEET. It is the most widely used insect repellent which was developed by the US Army. It is a colorless, water-soluble liquid. It acts on insect odorant receptor and inhibits the mosquito response to the human body odor. Depending on the concentration, it provides protection for 1 to 6 hours. Small amount of it get absorbed through the skin after application and can be detected in blood for up to 12 hours. Further, it is metabolized in liver and excreted through the urine. Extensive exposure leads to high incidence of insomnia, mood disturbances, and impaired cognitive functions. On ingestion, it causes gastric irritation, nausea, and vomiting. Neurotoxicity and seizures have occurred rarely on prolonged percutaneous exposure. The drawbacks of DEET are, it imparts a greasy feeling to the skin and distinctive odor is not liked by some people. It can dissolve certain types of plastic and synthetic materials like nylon and vinyl. Plastic eyeglass lenses may be damaged. The pyrethrin and the transfluthrin. They are fast-acting pyrethroids used as insect repellents and insecticides with low persistency. Used in hamburgers and vaporizers, they have been found capable of repelling up to 97% mosquitoes. The transfluthrin, which is also known as All Out, and the pyrethrin, which is also known as Good Night, are popular household mosquito repellents in India which are effective against the flies, moths, and cockroaches as well. Ingestion leads to nausea, vomiting, abdominal pain, oral ulceration, and diarrhea. Major systemic toxicity includes palpitations, blood vision, coma, convulsions, etc. The next is the picaridin. What is picaridin? Picaridin is a synthetic congener of the natural compound pipeline found in black pepper. Used as 20% lotion or spray, it provides protection against mosquito for 6 to 12 hours and repel biting flies, sandflies, ticks, and grills as well. It does not kill insect but blocks their odorant receptor so that they are not able to locate the prey. The next category is the natural insect repellents, which are also known as the essential oils. Essential oils from a number of plants are used as insect repellents, but they are less effective and short-acting because they evaporate quickly. Citronella oil, which is Odomos naturals, and lemon eucalyptus oil-based repellents have been rated more effective than others. The active principle of citronellol, the citronellol and citronella, appears to act by modulating insect odorant receptor cation channels, thereby masking the scents that attract them. Now we'll see some of the multiple choice questions which are related to the topics that we have discussed. The first one is, what is the primary mode of action of DEET in the insect repellents? The options are blocking insects' vision, altering the body temperature, masking the body odor, and disrupting insect